let's talk about vital targets for a second. As a small person that I am, if I am going to attack somebody, I'm going to attack probably a vital target first. And for the most part, there are three vital targets: the eyes, the windpipe, and the groin. Windpipe is made of cartilage. It can be easily crushed. The eyes are pretty pliable, and I've actually stuck my finger knuckle deep into somebody's eye, this knuckle deep. And I have crushed somebody's testicles before. But I'm going to add one more target to that, and that's the ears. I've also had each of my eardrums perforated, and if you've ever had that happen to you, it is excruciatingly painful. You're disoriented, your equilibrium is gone, and that happens in a matter of a second or two. So one of the things that I did on this man from behind again is I popped the ears, and you want to get that suction. You want to get that nice hit, make sure you're hitting flat on the palm here, so the ear is within it, and you get that suction when you pull it away. And you have to slap it pretty hard. So in that respect, he may stand up, he may turn. I mean, there's lots of ways that somebody's going to react to that. Because when I say earlier that the body reacts away from pain, well, how do you react away from both your ears? Other than your hands going to it, you may go down to one knee, because you are going to lose your equilibrium. And you are going to be very disoriented, and you are going to be sick to your stomach. So all of those things may happen. In that case, once I hit him in the ears, I'm not quite sure what to expect, other than the fact that he's going to have a very hard time turning and fighting me back. At this point, I bumped the knee as I struck with my forearm to the base of the skull. One of the nice spots in the base of the skull, hop back up, Jeff. You turn this way, right here between the base of the skull and the spine, there's a lot of nerve endings, and it's what we call one of the sweet spots. You can easily knock somebody out hitting him here, or in the gram nerves on the side. Okay, from the ganglia all the way down into the gram nerves right in here.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.